Still winter on May 6th. Got about an inch of snow in town last night. Heading up to Arapahoe Basin.
We got some cabbage going on. Wow. This guy is... Wow.
Morning.
Morning, bro.
How are you, sir?
Doing good. Happy to see you getting first chair.
Oh, you know it. First chair. Powder day.
Already.
Powder day in May.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for getting her ready for us.
Of course.
No need to rush. No competition this morning. Easy first chair. Look at this powder in mine. What's up? Doing well. Right, first chair, powder day in May. Here we go. It's still winter. The lifty's laughing at me. Oh, yeah.
You're the only guy who's been down here.
All right.
You're the only guy who's been down here, bro.
It's like the private resort all to myself.
Hell yeah.
Fresh powder run number 2. Here he is. The man himself. Look at that.
You know what I'm thinking?
What's he thinking?
Not one person has skied that chairlift today. We're getting first chair.
First chair,
Let
let's
me see
do it.
what time it is. It is, oh, it's 8:30.
Here you go, sir. A birthday gift for you. That was a prize that was won. Money cannot buy. Yeah. So translate, if you hold it up and look through the,
Yeah.
to the light.
Yeah.
Yeah, the lights of the pinball machines shine through the
I'm
back there.
gonna go, yeah, I need some backlight on this.
Happy birthday, Disco
Coming to
Darren.
Mile High Stadium this summer, and I won tickets. So this is extra special. I'm sorry, I'm not dressing like I'm 55 just yet.
Darren turns 24 years old today in the year 2024. Happy birthday, Disco Darren. Up here for a powder day. Ordered up a powder day for his birthday.
I blew out my candles last night, and I made a wish, and I asked for powder.
Excellent.
I could have suggested 10 inches of powder. All I said was powder.
Okay, next year be more specific. If you forgot your skis yesterday, you're still here. You remembered your pole, forgot your skis. Yep. It's a little challenge.
Oh, he's
It's a
slowing it
slow-
down for the
slow
birthday boy.
Happy birthday.
Look at that. I get the royal
Stop.
treatment.
Yeah.
He thinks I was
Easy
a beginner
peasy.
snowblader.
Sorry.
Second rodeo, it's all good. First class VIP for royal treatment.
Woohoo!
Yep. Here we go.
I'm sorry, but I'm
Problem
officially
snow.
celebrating 55.
55.
There's some retirement benefits that kicked in today, like free coffee at Denny's.
The speed limit, 55 in the usual spots.
Ooh, there's a good one.
Yeah.
So at this point, once again, we'd like to thank D-Bolt for making back bowls.
Back Bowls Brown Ale.
This one got a gold medal years ago, and the brown ales kind of faded off with the IPA craze. So they rebranded it, gave it a new name, and said, it's a party in a can.
Looks like it.
There you go.
Get the mullet skier, guy in the sky, blasting the cornice or something. Kind of even looks like he's at A-Basin.
I want to say that's me. I
Oh.
really do.
Yeah, it might be. Looks like East Wall in the background, so maybe he's launching King's Cornice.
Oh, it's those long skis. That's
yeah.
what was the giveaway.
Throwing
Not
them off.
me.
Dang it. Well, happy birthday, sir.
Oh, I'm just hoping, you know, that Tom will call in sick and spend the whole day with me. Cause
Oh, man.
could have went in.
Recycle the best you can.
There's the back bowls.
Yep.
Montezuma Bowl. Until then, we'll just have to celebrate here on the front bowl. Wow. Yeah, that's gonna be a fight today. Soft, hard.
It's puking up here. Arapahoe Basin. Celebrating
Welcome to Mayuary.
Mayuary. Here we are.
Mayuary the 6th. Because winter does not die at A-Basin.
That's right.
Not till June.
Yeah!
Yeah. Up here. It's like low visibility.
Oh my
Oh, he's going down. He's in the Cabbage in line. The powder day tomorrow. For sure.
Extreme ski suit on today.
It's a blizzard.
missed the email.
Oh man. Look at it, snow up here. It's a blizzard. All right, that's it.
Reporting from A-Basin. Turn your music off. Reporting from A-Basin. Kenny and Disco Darren. Out.
If you enjoy what you are watching, you will probably love the science fiction ski and snowboard film my friends and I made called The Battle for First Chair, Opening Day Dreams, Pin 20. Followed up that movie, the story continues in a book I wrote called Snowboarding's Last Stand, A Samurai and the Slingling. The movie and the book are both available for purchase on Amazon, but right here on YouTube you can watch the entire director's cut of the movie for free. And the audio version of the entire book is right on my YouTube channel. Link to both in the description, as well as all my other social media links are in the description of this YouTube video. Thanks for your support.